This creamy poppy seed dressing has no mayo. And honestly, you won't even miss it. It's way healthier, smooth, and better than what you're used to. So let me show you how it comes together. All the ingredients, exact measurements, and step-by-step directions are listed in the description below. We're starting with half a cup of plain Greek yogurt. This is what makes the dressing creamy and naturally lighter without needing any mayo. Next, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, just enough to add richness and give the dressing a smooth, silky finish. Then comes 2 tablespoons of honey for that gentle sweetness. For acidity and depth, we're using 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar along with 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. These 2 work together to give the dressing that classic poppy seed flavor with a little kick. Now just give everything a good mix until combined. Just hang on because we're not done yet. To season everything, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Simple, but it really brings all the flavors together. Now for the star, go in with 1½ tablespoons of poppy seeds. They add texture, crunch, and that signature poppy seed look. And finally, 1 to 2 tablespoons of water, added slowly just to adjust the consistency and make the dressing perfectly pourable. Now mix the dressing using the whisk until it reaches a creamy and smooth consistency. If you're enjoying this recipe so far, and it looks like something you'd actually make, don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon for more easy recipes like this. And here you go! Your healthy poppy seed dressing is ready. This recipe makes about 3/4 to 1 full cup, which is perfect for salads, slaws, and more. For the best flavor, let it chill in the fridge for about 15 to 30 minutes. Any leftovers can stay fresh for up to 4 to 5 days. If you try this dressing, let me know how you used it in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next recipe.